Good morning everyone. Let us see the center of mass. The center of mass in a system is a special point in a system at which whole mass of system supposed to be concentrated and its motion is called a center of mass. It is denoted by capital R bar. Now consider the system. Consists of n particles. System consists of n particles. That is first particle, second particle, third particle, dash 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 n particles. Having masses m1, m2, third particle having the mass is m3, dash dash dash, last particle, nth particle having the mass is mn. And every particle situated at a certain distance from the origin. That is, a first particle situated at a distance r1, second particle situated at a distance r2, third particle situated at a distance r3, dash 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 rn, respectively. Means that is the system consists of n particles of masses m1, m2, m3, dash 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 mn, situated at a distances r1, r2, r3, dash 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 rn, respectively, from the point O, as shown in figure. Consider that is the 2 points. This is the first point and this is the second point. First point having the mass is the m1 and situated at a distance that is the r1, and this is the second point, that is the having mass is the m2 and situated at a distance r2 bar or r2. Then the center of mass of these 2 points, these 2 particles, this is the center of mass. This is the center of mass of 2 particles. And this center of mass is represented as vector capital R bar. So, the center of mass of system. Center of mass of system can be determined as capital R bar equal to m1 r1 bar plus m2 r2 bar plus m3 r3 bar plus dash dash dash, last plus mn rn bar, divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus dash 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 dash, last plus mn. That is the mn is the total mass of, not mn is the mass of nth particle. But put m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus dash 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 plus mn equal to capital M, equal to total mass of system. Therefore, capital R bar equal to m1 r1 bar plus m2 r2 bar plus m3 R3 bar plus dash 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 divided by capital M. Divided by capital M. Therefore, divided by capital M. Therefore, M into capital R bar equal to M1 R1 bar plus M2 R2 bar plus M3 R3 bar M3 R3 bar plus dash dash dash, that is capital M into R bar equal to summation I varies from 1 to n Mi into Ri bar, which is the expression of center of mass.